Welcome to 3739 Ventura Canyon, my newest listing, south of the Boulevard in Sherman Oaks. Let's go check it out. Ventura Canyon is a premier street in the serenity of the Sherman Oaks hills, completely tranquil and very peaceful. This architecturally stunning home was completely renovated in 2017. This 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom home boasts 3,872 square feet. There are custom built-ins throughout and incredible special details. There are multiple living rooms, all flooded with light, enhanced by wood beams and spectacular leaded glass windows. The vaulted ceilings, European white oak floors, and 3 fireplaces are just some of the stunning details in this property. The chef's kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances, stone countertops, and custom cabinets, with the sweetest eat-in breakfast nook you've ever seen. Through the French doors, outside, you'll experience the epitome of LA living, with treetop views and ample space to entertain. The oversized primary retreat features another fireplace, a custom walk-in closet, soaking tub, and steam shower. With an elevator to take you from the garage to the interior floors, you'll never have to walk up any stairs unless you want to. This vintage wine cellar is another spectacular detail featured in Ventura Canyon.